Hello guys, I'm back again with Uziza seed. This is Uziza seed. I only know it Uziza seed, my native name. I don't know what other people calls it or what it is in English. But if you know, please put it in the comment section so that other people will know. Please, before we go on, share this video. Please share this video. Don't be stingy or jealous when you come across this video. Send it to someone else. It will help someone else. If it didn't help you, it will help someone. Please. So this uziza seed is for cough. It's for ụkwara. Ụkwara nta. Ụkwara ọkpọ tiko tiko. Cough. TB o. Dry cough o. Like let me use mine as an example. Because I have cough. I just use it only 2 days and fine. You see, if you have cough, get me this uziza seed. Take 5 in the morning with empty stomach. Chew it and swallow it. Don't spit it out. In the afternoon, 5 pieces. 5 pieces is very tiny. Just count 5 out of it. Afternoon, 5. In the night, 5. Before 3 days, you'll be fine. Just try it in a day, you'll see. Just try only a day. Morning, afternoon, and night. You will see. Your dry cough will finish. Your TB o. TB na small thing where this one dey. TB. Ụkwara ọkpọ tiko tiko. Ụkwara nta. See the cure here. I said 5 seeds. 5 seeds out of this thing. 5 pieces. Over sabi. I didn't say 2 or 3 or 10. Because over sabi too much. Listen carefully. 5 seeds. Morning, afternoon, and night. You'll be fine. Your dry cough will go. I don't know how the test is normal. I don't even want to say maybe it's hot or it's what, but the test is normal. When you eat it, you feel the taste by yourself. It's normal. This is cure for cough. This is cure for cough. Yeah, you won't feel anything. See you guys in my next edition. If you take this one, you're gonna be